Okay, friends, so we're going to go ahead and get our Clifford magazine, and I want you to find the magazine that's titled, What Should He Wear? So go ahead and grab that magazine. We are going to read through it. So we're going to listen and read.
What should he wear? It's raining. It's pouring. Is this boy dressed for rainy weather? Snorkel, scarf, gloves, swim shirt, bathing suit. Dress for spring weather. Circle what you would wear in the weather. What would you wear in rainy weather? Raincoat, ice skates, rain boots. What would you wear in hot, sunny weather? Parka, baseball hat, t-shirt. What would you wear in cool, windy weather? Flip-flops, sweater, snow boots. What would you wear in snowy weather? Tank top, mittens, snowsuit. Clifford's big idea. You can be flexible. Emily Elizabeth and her friends wanted to play outside. Now it's raining out, and they have to stay inside. They feel disappointed. What should they do? When you're flexible, you can change plans.
So we're going to go ahead and you can take your pencil and circle what you would wear. So what would you wear in rainy weather? What would you wear in hot, sunny weather? What would you wear in windy weather? And what would you wear in snowy weather? So you can do that when he's done reading. Okay, so it says color the umbrella. Use the number key to color the umbrella and raindrops. Click a crayon to pick up a color. So number ones are going to be red, number twos are going to be yellow, threes are going to be blue, and fours are going to be green. So let's click our red crayon. So let's find our number ones. Is this a one? No, it's not a one. Is this a one? Yeah, good job. So let's color. I'm gonna try my best not to leave any white spots. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, there's no more ones, so now I'm gonna go to number two. So I have my yellow crayon. Are any of the raindrops twos? No. Okay. Is the handle to the umbrella a two? No. Okay, and this is a four, and we know this is the same number, so that's a four. So then that means, is this a two? Are those twos? Yeah. So we're gonna color it yellow. I know all your coloring is gonna look even better than Miss Lila's. So remember to try to stay in the lines. This is a little hard because it's on the computer. Okay. All right. And now we're going to go to 3. So we said that this was a 4 and this was a 4. So then the raindrops must be 3. So We're going to color our raindrops blue. And you can do this too, but you're going to use your crayons on your actual magazine. Blue. Crayon is being silly. Okay, and then that means we have our last two, and those are going to be green. Our fours are going to be green. And the hand. Alright. Okay. So your umbrella is going to look like this, but it's going to look much better because your coloring is going to be much nicer. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and watch our video.
What's the weather? When you looked out your window this morning, what did you see? Did it look like this? Or this? Or this? What you see out your window depends on the weather, and weather is a big part of our lives. We make decisions based on the weather, like what to wear and what to do. Let's say the weather is cold and rainy. What would you wear to go outside? A raincoat and boots? Or a swimsuit and flip-flops? A raincoat and boots will keep you dry. You also might need an umbrella. On rainy days, it can also be nice to stay cozy inside, especially if there's a thunderstorm. But after the storm is over, you can go out and play. It's fun to jump in puddles. What if the weather is snowy? Is it a good day to make a sandcastle? Or a snowman? On snowy days, you can make a snowman. Just remember to bundle up before you go outside. Brr, it's cold out there. Now let's say the weather is sunny. You might see a lot of people outside wearing these. There are a lot of things to do on warm, sunny days. You might play soccer, have a picnic, or just sit under a shady tree and read a book. Now, back to that picnic. Here's one thing that will definitely ruin it. Rain! So, what can you do if you want to plan a picnic in advance? You check the forecast. A forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like. Scientists called meteorologists can predict the weather days in advance. They're not always right, but they help us plan ahead. Let's say the forecast says it will be windy tomorrow. It's time to get your kite ready. Windy days are great for kite flying. What other kinds of weather do you know? Cloudy means that there are a lot of clouds in the sky. Foggy means there are a lot of clouds near the ground. Clear means there are no clouds at all. So, what kind of weather is best for going to the beach? Cloudy, foggy, or clear? Clear. Just make sure to put on plenty of sunscreen. From snowy to rainy, to cloudy to sunny, there are all kinds of weather. And that means there are all kinds of things to wear and do. What kind of weather is your favorite?